In today's video, we are going to cover how to hire an employee in Gusto. Start by logging into your Gusto account, then go to the People section. This is where you can add and manage team members. Click Add Person to begin creating the new employee record. On the first screen, enter the employee's name, select their country, and add their personal email address. For worker type, choose Employee. If you need any of the available hiring options for this person, select them here, then click Save and continue to move to the next section. Next, enter the employee's work location and work state. After that, fill in their job title, department, manager, and start date. Make sure the start date is correct before you continue, since it will appear throughout the onboarding timeline. When those fields are complete, click Save and Continue. You will now set up the employee's role and pay details. Select the employee type, then enter their compensation amount and choose the correct pay period. After that, choose their tax exemption status. Once everything on this page is filled in, click Save and Continue. Gusto will then show a review screen with the employee's personal, role, and compensation information. Take a moment to check each section and confirm that the details match what you entered. If anything needs to be corrected, update it here. Then click Save and continue to next task to begin the employee's onboarding setup. For the onboarding invitation, leave Invite this team member to enter their own details online selected. Verify that the personal email address shown is the correct one for the employee, then click Continue. This sends the process forward so the employee can complete their own details online. You will then configure the onboarding options. Review the welcome email settings, the digital card option, and the required documents that the employee will need to complete. Under Employment Eligibility, which is Form I-9, choose either in-person verification or I will handle this outside of Gusto, depending on how you plan to manage that requirement. After that, review the 30, 60, and 90-day new hire check-ins. You can keep the default schedule or edit the check-ins as needed for this employee. Once that section looks right, click Save and Continue. Gusto will show the onboarding timeline next. Review the timeline so you can confirm the welcome email, the employee's start date, and the onboarding invitation. This is the final check before you finish the hire. To complete the process, click I have added all current team members. If you need to hire another employee right away, choose Add another team member instead and repeat the same flow for the next person. Your new employee is now added in Gusto and their onboarding setup is ready to begin.